I made this shelf pin jig a few years ago, and there's an article on my website that goes over the build details if you're interested in making one of your own. There's not a whole lot to it. I just made mine out of pine, and it works with my router that has a 1/4-inch bit in there to drill the holes. And the router also has a 5/8-inch guide bushing that fits into the semicircular notches in the jig, and that locates the router for each hole. And when I'm done making the holes on one side of the panel, I'll flip it around and orient my jig in the same way with the bottom of the jig lined up with the bottom of the panel. The way I've made mine is that it makes holes that are 2 inches apart, and it starts 5 inches from the bottom of the panel.